Good morning, everyone. Back with another fun fact about jewelry, and we're still on the series of why repairs cost so much. So here you have this rope chain, and you've seen it in other videos, but this is what's called a barrel catch, and it has a figure 8 safety right there. And it also has a maker's mark and a patent mark right here. That little tab tells you who made it and the patent that they had to make it. Anyway, so let's say you come in and your necklace is missing this catch. All right? Well, first things first, we've got to clean it. Everything gets cleaned before it gets repaired. So let's say it's good and clean and everything's ready to go. There's a reason why this catch broke off if it's missing. It could have failed right here. It could have failed right there. But if it's missing totally, it failed in both areas. Or it could have failed inside your chain. Now, if it failed back here, you're missing part of your necklace. Sorry to say that, but you are. Okay, so let's say it just failed here and the catch is hanging on by this little ring over here. All right, so what do we have to do? To start with, clean it real good. Everything's good and clean. We have to recreate that little loop right here. And then I have to solder that lip right there, because you can't have a good solid loop on your catch and then a worn out tab. They both have to be new. Well, here's another problem you got. If it's a 20-year-old chain and this wore to the point of failure, it's wearing back here too. So you probably need to replace this little loop and that tab part there. Well, if you're going to do that side, you might as well do this side. Because if this catch loses totally, that's a $300 catch. Because I have to buy the tongue piece up here and the barrel piece right there. Then I have to match the width and the length of what it was on there already. So if you're going to replace this part and that part, well, you might as well replace that part there. And that little jump ring, I charge about 50 to 60 bucks to replace that jump ring right there. So yes. And why do I charge so much? I have a lot of education. I have 2 degrees from Florida Arlington Tech. I'm a gemologist and a master bench jeweler. Yeah, highly educated. That is your fun fact of today.